In this video, I will demonstrate how we can install Java extension pack inside VS Code through VSIX files. First, open the link provided in the description. It will lead us to this page. So what we need to do here is we need to download all these extensions using this download extension button. But this link will only download the parent extension. In order to download all the child extensions, we need to click on these links and then download each extension one by one. So I have already downloaded all the extensions here. Now I will open the VS Code and then I will click on this extensions tab, then on these three dots, and then I will select install from VSIX. And then I will install all these VSIX files one by one. And then I will reload the VS Code. As you can see, all the child extensions have been installed in this Java extension pack. So this is how we can install VS Code extensions through VSIX files. Thank you very much.